These the birds from the birds, seagulls. I think they're fishing. As long as they don't hit me. Hey birdies, you're on video. Do a little fry. Hi. What's it? It's the dance of the birds. Look at the black ones coming. There's some fish over here. You see these birds? They're not even scared of this dog, you see? Because they got those peaks. They'll peck his eyes out. They're watching him though. Look at him. Now those are like black ravens. Those things, they got sharp beaks. Look at these. See how birds can get along of different species? Look at this dog. He will not let me do my video. Go over there. Look at them. Even the blackbirds, they go down in the water to get the fish. Look at them. See, the waters are too turbulent. I didn't know that they eat fish. Birds are the best fishermen. Did you know that? But the waters are too rough for them. God pushes the fish up out of the ocean for them to eat. I never seen the blackbirds doing the same thing. Those blackbirds are land birds. They should eat berries and seed. That's very odd. I guess they say we want some fish too. Look at that one. I guess they'll have to wait until the waters die down. Patience, peeps. Get that. Over there. Dog is good. Stay. Okay, I don't think you're gonna. I was gonna see if you can see one. Actually, look at that big one. He's gonna get his. Look. That one is like a boat. And look at that big pelican. Look at him. Can you see him fishing? Get over there. Stay. Get over there. This dog never lets me do my videos. He's an egg. Okay, that's it. A Fisher's Day.